guys, Lindsay here with Team Sylvania Off Road. We are here in Jean, Nevada for the 10th annual Mint 400 cleanup, and it has been a great day. We had over 500 volunteers show up. We've collected a ton of trash, and we're just so excited to be a part of this event for the second year in a row. We just want to make sure that we're all continuing to do our part to keep the desert clean and preserve it for future generations to come.